Okay, I had the Grizzly 0458 drum sander, and there's been issues with this sandpaper not being the correct length. The dimensions in the manual are wrong. It says 84 inches. It needs to be cut to 90 inches and follow the instructions on cutting the ends, and you will be fine. I will show you how this works. Okay, as we said, you insert the left side of the paper on the left side of the drum. It's supposed to be flush with the drum, and as you wind it around like so, you're going to have a little, you try to get it as close to it as possible, but you'll be able to fix that in a second. But what you do is you roll it all the way around, and as this edge is going to be flush, and if you notice, it's off by that much. It's about a quarter of an inch off. What you have to do is you have to loosen the paper, slide it over, keeping this tab in your hand. Put an Allen wrench in that access hole right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to pull this. You'll watch, see it spring loaded right there? That's what you need to do. But you have to make sure all your paper is not overlapping. You're going to pull your paper like so. That's spring loaded. Make sure I'm trying to get it over, not to overlap. And now that's going to give you the proper length to tuck your paper in. You loosen up your Allen wrench, put your paper in like so, if I can get it in there. Like so, your paper's in. You tighten up your clamp, and there you go. And just make sure all your paper's not overlapping. If it is, you have to redo that. But all in all, that's how you do the sandpaper roll on a Grizzly G0458. The instructions in the paperwork, the manual, are wrong. The 84 should be 90 inches, and you cut the ends like the diagram shows, and this is what you'll get. Hope you enjoyed. Click subscribe, and hopefully this helped you guys out. Thank you.